What is a mortgage straw buyer scam? Have you ever heard of a mortgage straw buyer scam? It's a tricky situation that can lead to serious problems for everyone involved. Let's break it down. A mortgage straw buyer scam happens when someone, known as the straw buyer, buys a property for another person. This usually occurs because the true buyer cannot get a mortgage due to bad credit or other financial issues. The straw buyer uses their own credit and identity to secure the loan, but they have no plans to live in the home or make any payments. This arrangement is not just shady, it is outright fraud. The lender is misled about who the actual buyer is, which is a form of mortgage fraud. In many cases, the straw buyer receives money upfront or fees for signing the loan documents, even though they are not the true homeowner. The real beneficiary is often the person with poor credit who cannot legally obtain the loan. Sometimes, the property is purchased at an inflated price. This creates fake equity that the scammers exploit through fees or by taking money from the sale. If the mortgage payments are not made, the lender will eventually foreclose on the property. This can lead to serious consequences for the straw buyer, including damage to their credit score, potential bankruptcy due to unpaid debts, and even criminal charges like mortgage fraud or forgery. From a bankruptcy standpoint, straw buyers might file for bankruptcy to get rid of the mortgage debt they took on. However, they may not disclose the payments they received for their involvement in the scam. This can complicate the bankruptcy process and may be seen as an abuse of the system. Meanwhile, the original homeowners or perpetrators often lose their homes and may profit from the scheme. Mortgage straw buyer scams can also be linked to other fraudulent activities, such as property flipping. In these cases, the value of the property is artificially inflated to secure larger loans, increasing financial damage to lenders and the risk of foreclosure. Understanding mortgage straw buyer scams is essential for avoiding mortgage fraud and the serious financial and legal issues that can follow. It highlights the importance of being cautious in mortgage transactions and carefully checking all parties involved.